Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2015 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It is a four-wheel drive, 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 137,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. Come out of Texas, so it's rust-free. Belonged to Cummins. It was one of their service trucks. It has an IMT Dominator service body with a 7,500-pound crane, hydraulic outriggers, hydraulic air compressor. Overall, a really nice truck. Let's walk around and take a look at it. All the emissions are in place. Nothing's been deleted or modified. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control. Obviously, it does a lot more than I'm showing. I'm just showing you the basic functions that it works like it should. Compressor on. It's got this enclosed that slides all the way forward. Obviously you could remove it if you wanted to, but that slide does slide forward and give you a lot of access to this. power inverter. 26 hours on the compressor. $57.03 idle, $29.47 drive. Radio, AC's working. So if you're interested in this truck, you can give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Probably going to be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher, so what we do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York, Wisconsin, North Dakota, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we get them picked up immediately. It just depends on where you're located. A lot of things factor into it. But on average, you'll still have the truck in 3 to 7 days. I say all that to say this, I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to pull out, so I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up here, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to sell you the truck. It has to be a check of the certified funds, which means a cashier's check or a bank check. Wire transfer or cash. We prefer wire transfer. Anyways, I guess that's about it on this one. If you got any questions, you can give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Again, this is a 15 Ram 5500 four-wheel drive, 137,000 miles. IMT Dominator, 11-foot body, 7,500 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. Really nice truck overall. Runs out and drives nice. Southern truck, so no rust on it. Really clean, one owner. All right, give me a call if you're interested. Don't wait too long. These Dodges like this, they don't last long, so don't wait long. All right. Thanks for watching.